Hi, welcome to How To channel. In this video, let us see how we can avail exclusive deals on hotels, restaurants and pubs through the PAYTM app. Type deals in the search bar and click on PAYTM Deals. Here, you can view all the exclusive deals on hotels and restaurants in your city. You can find these offers under popular brands and trending restaurants near you. Now let us see how we can claim a deal. Choose your desired outlet. Here, you have the details about the restaurant and the offer. Read the terms and conditions by clicking on View T&C. You can click on Claim Deal to claim the deal. Once you claim the deal on the PAYTM app, you will be notified on WhatsApp with instructions on how to claim the deal and a link to pay the bill. If you wish to cancel this claim, you can click on Cancel Claim and choose your reason for cancellation. From the PAYTM Deals homepage, you can also browse through restaurants that is near your current location. You can click on About option to know more about the restaurant, like the timings, average cost, cuisines, etc. You can also claim deals on pubs under the nightlife category. You also have the option of viewing the menu and ambience of the pub before you proceed with the deal. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.